Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove echo in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial options. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing the echo or reverb from the audio here in Adobe Premiere Pro can improve the clarity of your sound, especially when it's caused by recording in a reflective space. Alright, so while Premiere Pro doesn't have a dedicated echo removal tool, you can still reduce or eliminate the echo using a combination of audio effects, tools, and technique. Now, the best option to basically remove the echo effect with one click is going to the effects section. Now, all we have to do is go to the effects section right here and type in the reverb. All right. Now, if you find the reverb effect, all you have to do is drag it all the way to your audio, not the video, right? It doesn't take effect. You see, it only applies to the audio. As you can see, I'm dragging it to the photo, to the video. It's not happening. Just drag it to the audio. And then now go to the editing section. In the editing section, you would notice that you need to go to the effects of the reverb. All right. See this? If you click the edit, which is going to be in the custom setup right here. If you try to play it, let's try to play it now to see the effect. You can simply scrub it all the way to the 100. You see that there's going to be a big change, and that removes the echo entirely. If you reduce it to 0, it's going to be going back to the same default, but I highly suggest you go to the 50 or maybe go to the 100 depending on your preferences. All right. Now I'm going to stick with this. Then the echo has been removed. Another option that we can explore after using the reverb is an effect called, I'm gonna remove the reverb effect for now. I'm gonna undo right here. All right, and then on the effects control, I want you to search for an effect called right here, parametric equalizer. All right, and drag it again to your audio right here, and then go to the editing section. Now, here we can eliminate the bad frequency by clicking the, let's go for the bypass and click the custom setup. And of course, you can notch some of the EQ bands here. All right. And again, the audio is dependent on the quality of the MP3 or the where it has been recorded. But most of the time, this will sort out removing the echo altogether, but this gives you more control over it. All right, and after that, once it's comfortable, you might want to try to play it again. All right, and then let's play it to see if there had been a effect. Yes, so after that, after editing, listen to the audio on different speakers, and of course, or head echo has been reduced effectively. Be careful not to overprocess the audio, as too many effects can make the audio sound unnatural. All right, so it's up to you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.